How to import browsing history in Chrome on PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to import browsing history in Chrome on PC. First of all, open Chrome on your PC. Click three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, scroll down and click on the Settings option. On the Settings page, scroll down, click Import Bookmarks and Settings at bottom of the screen. On this Import Bookmarks and Settings menu box, uncheck mark all the boxes except the browsing history. After that, click the Import button at bottom right corner of this menu box, and that's it. Your browsing history will be imported in Chrome on PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to import browsing history in Chrome on PC. First of all, open Chrome on your PC. Click three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, scroll down and click on the Settings option. On the Settings page, scroll down, click Import Bookmarks and Settings at bottom of the screen. On this Import Bookmarks and Settings menu box, uncheck mark all the boxes except the browsing history. After that, click the Import button at bottom right corner of this menu box, and that's it.